Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ahmad. My ID is 003 and my department is PS Chemistry. Today I'm here to present my presentation and my presentation topic is history, its causes, facts and its solutions. First of all, before going to start our lecture presentation, we will see the contents of this presentation, introduction, formation of history, types of acid rain, effects of acid rain, causes of acid rain, prevention from acid rain. So let's talk about introduction. Acid gases are produced when fossil fuels like coal and oil are burned in power stations, factories, and in our own homes. These gases react with water vapors present in atmosphere and lower the pH of water and making it acidic. मेन की जो गैसेस हमारे इन्वायरमेंट में पैदा होती है मुख्तलिफ रिएक्शन की वजह से वो एटमॉस्फेयर में जाके वाटर के साथ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिएक्ट करते हैं जिससे पानी की पीएच कम हो जाती है और इसे मोर एसिडिक बना देते हैं when they converted into clouds it can cause rain and that rain is known as acid rain. Acid rain also occurs in form of snow fog. Acid fog has 10 times more acidic than acid rain. Acid rain, or more precisely called the acid precipitation, is the word to use to describe the rainfall that has a pH level of less than 5.6 or between 4.0 to 5. Rain, snow, fog, or hail, falls piece of ice falling as precipitation, often in connection with thunderstorm that carries nutrients that form the air to the ground. Next one is the formation of acid rain. Basically, acetylene is caused by a chemical reaction that means when compounds like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide are released into air. These substances can rise very high into atmosphere where they mix and react with water, oxygen, and other chemicals to form more acidic pollutants known as acetylene. As we can see in the picture, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide moving to our atmosphere to produce acetylene. Burning of fossil fuels emits sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide reaches the atmosphere. It oxidizes to form sulfur trioxide. The sulfur trioxide joins with the hydrogen atom in the air and becomes sulfuric acid. Then it falls back down to earth as acid rain, as we can see in the reaction. Carbon dioxide reacts with water and form carbonic acid, and nitric oxide reacts with water to form nitric acid. Now, here two types of acid rain. First one is wet deposition. Wet deposition in air is rain, sleet, snow, or fog that has become more acidic than normal. Both wet and dry deposition can be carried by the wind, sometimes for very long distance. Second one is dry deposition. Dry deposition and is another form of acid deposition, and this is when gases and dust particles become acidic. Acid deposition in wet and dry forms fall on buildings, cars, and trees and can make react acidic. Acidic decomposition in dry form can be inhaled by people and can cause health problems in some people. Now we talk about effects of acid rain. Acid rain is extremely destructive form of pollution and the environment suffer from its effects. Trees, lakes, humans, made structures, Taj Mahal. Now, how trees are affected from acid rain. The leaves of the trees turn brown and fall off. Trees can also suffer from stunted growth and have damaged bark and leaves, which makes them vulnerable to weather, disease, and insects. All of this happens partially because of the direct contact between trees and acid rain. But it also happens when trees absorb soil that has come into contact with acid rain. The soil poisons the tree with toxic substance that all the rain has deposited into it. Lakes. Lakes are also damaged by acid rain that cause fishes to die off and that removes the main source of food from birds. Acid rain can even kill fish before they are born when the eggs are laid and come into contact with the acid. Fish usually die only when the acid level of lake is high or when the acid level is lower. They can become sick, suffer sudden drought, or lose their ability to reproduce. Also, bird can die from eating toxic fishes and insects. Humans. Humans can become seriously ill and can even die from the effects of acid rain. One of the major problems that acid rain can cause in human beings is respiratory problem along with skin damage. Many of can find it difficult to breathe, especially people who have asthma. Asthma along with dry cough, headache, and throat irritations can be caused by the sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide from acetylene, as you can see in the picture, healthy bronchitis and inflamed. Acetylene can be absorbed by both plants and animals from things they eat and are direct contact. When humans eat these plants or animals, the toxins inside of their meals can affect them. Brain damage, kidney problems, and Alzheimer's disease has been linked to people eating toxic animals plants. Man-made structure. Acid rain dissolves the stonework and the mortar of buildings. It reacts with minerals in the stone to form a powdery substance that can be washed away by rain. Metal structures such as bridges and cars become powdered. Limestone buildings, tombstones, statues, monuments wear down more quickly. As we can see in the pictures, affected statue by the acid rain. Effect of acid rain on Taj Mahal. Effects. White star, white color of the Taj Mahal start to go yellow. Precious and semi-precious stones of the Taj Mahal weathered away due to acid rain. The sulfuric acid and nitric acid in the rain cause the calciate to dissolve and make gypsum form. Gypsum causes the area of affected stone to turn black, and when the gypsum falls off, it reveals crumbling stone. We can easily differ between before Taj Mahal and after the acid rain effect in the Taj Mahal. Causes of acid rain. Burning coal, oil, and natural gas in power stations makes electricity, giving off sulfur dioxide. Burning petrol and oil in vehicles engines give off nitrogen oxide as gases. The gases mix with water vapor and rainwater in the atmosphere, producing weak solutions of sulfuric and nitric acids, which fall as acid rain. Prevention. A great way to reduce acid rain is to produce energy without using fossil fuels. Instead, people can use renewable resources such as solar and wind power. Renewable energy sources help reduce acid rain because they produce much less pollution. Nitrogen oxide, nitrogen oxide are created in the process of burning coal and other fossil fuels. Some power plants are changing the way they burn coal. Carpool use public transportation or better yet walk or bicycle whenever possible. Buy vehicles with low nitrogen oxide emission and maintain all vehicles well. That's all from my side. Thank you.